Morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about electric current. If we will discuss about electric current, before we should discuss about electricity. If in the case of electricity, we can just divide it into two parts. One is static electricity and another one is current electricity. Static electricity is also known as electrostatic. Electrostatics means whenever we can say the charge is not moving, charge is keeping on the rest. So such type of electricity form is known as static electricity, and whenever current is moving, charges are moving, such electricity is known as current electricity. In current electricity, we can just discuss about the electric current. Now, what is electric current? Firstly, we will just go for the formula. I is equal to Q upon T. As we can understand, I is equal to Q upon T. When the term Q upon T will come, Q is charge and T is time. So in simply we will find the definition. We can say Q upon T means rate of charge is known as electric current. We can say in the other words, we can say the rate of flow of electric charge is known as electric current. If we want to say, we can define that charge per unit time is known as electric current. So how we can just define? An electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electric charge. Rate of flow of electric charge. Anything which is divided by T is considered as rate of electric charge. Rate of electric charge is known as electric current. In the other rate of flow of electric charge, this is electric current. Electric current is the quantity of charge flowing per unit time. If in such situation we can say I is equal to Q upon T, if we will consider time as constant or unit time, so we can say moving charge or flow of charge or charge flowing per unit time is known as electric current. So simply we can understand the SI, this is our fundamental quantity, electric current, and the SI unit, fundamental unit also we can say, is ampere. So ampere is the SI unit of electric current, and Q is equal to IT is the formula of this. Thank you.